How you doing out there? It's Lorenzo Murray with Hunt Real Estate in the Capital Region. I've got Mike Rankin here from ClearPath Mortgage Solutions. Mike, thanks for having us today.
Thanks for having me, Lorenzo.
So Mike, got a question for you. There are just rumors upon rumors upon rumors about staying away from brokers. You know, nightmare, they rip you off, they charge you too much, this, that, and the other. Why am I here talking to you?
Oh, great question. I love this question. So now I can't speak for every single broker out there, Lorenzo. I don't work at other broker shops. But what I can say is I'm second generation in the mortgage business. My dad's been a mortgage broker for over 23 years, and I chose to stay in the mortgage broker world versus going to work at a bank or credit union. And here's exactly why. So first thing is, let's talk about some misconceptions. One misconception is that brokers are going to charge me a fee to do my loan. Back in the days, meaning prior to 2008, 2007, the entire mortgage world was highly unregulated. Almost everybody you speak with at your local credit union or your local bank, they used to be a broker most likely. And so that's not really the issue. The issue is the ethics and integrity behind what does that broker do. So our company, we get paid the same exact amount on every single transaction. Whether you have a high credit score, low credit score, high loan amount, low loan amount, there is absolutely no steering that exists in our world at ClearPath. Number two, how do we get paid? We get paid directly from the lender for overseeing your loan from beginning to end. So you say, Mike, I'm going with a local credit union, and that local credit union, you work with a loan originator. That loan originator oversees your loan from beginning to end, and after the loan closes, the bank or credit union that he works for will pay him a commission for handling your loan from beginning to end. You do not pay him directly out of your pocket. In the same way as a broker, I get paid directly from the lender for overseeing your mortgage from beginning to end. So the difference is I work with 20 to 25 different banks, some local, some nationwide, and my job is to shop around and find out who has the best rates, who has the lowest closing costs, who has the best mortgage product to meet your needs. Number two, my job is to advise you and to give you customized solutions. Most places they see in black and white. I can't speak for other brokers, but we like to see in color at ClearPath. We like to see what are your goals, Lorenzo, and how can we customize this loan to meet your goals, to fit your needs. So no additional cost of working with us as a broker. I find a lot of times you're going to hear that as a source of someone trying to earn your business. But for me, there's a lot of great credit unions, a lot of great lenders. You're looking for someone who's going to give you education, someone who's going to be trustworthy, and someone who's going to be approachable and be able to clearly educate you on the entire process.
It's a great answer. Thanks for that. But just for clarity's sake, if I bank at XYZ Bank, right, and I've got a great relationship with them, and they're willing to give me they can offer me great closing costs, they can offer me everything that I want. At the end of the day, they can only offer me the product that they are offering. They can't offer me other products, whereas what I'm hearing from you is you work with a multitude of different banks, so you can always most likely find something that's going to be able to fit my needs as well. Yeah,
it's not a square peg in a square hole. It's really about finding out what your goals are and how do we work with your parameters. But if you go right to your bank, you have to work in their parameters. And so our job as a broker is to do exactly that, to find out who has the right product, the right rules, the right guidelines that really meet your goals instead of you trying to fit into my box.
Well, thanks a lot, Mike. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Lorenzo.